Hello everybody and welcome back to Berrybrook. Thank you for liking and subscribing so far. Here we have a fully restored Morgan 4.4. This is from 1977 and it is in stunning condition. Just look at that. There we go, look at those wire wheels. The bodywork is absolutely immaculate, presented here in a baby blue colour. One nice thing about this car is I've still got the original invoice. It was exported to Australia, but I've also got the build sheet for the restore. From behind there, you can see the luggage rack and the spare tyre. You can also see we've presented it with the tonneau cover. This makes it just a little bit nicer when you drive, but obviously you've got a vinyl roof on there as well. You can see the poppers going across the front of the windscreen. I'll take you more around this car as well. Believe it or not, this car has got just over 70,000 miles, but when you look around it, I mean, just look inside, that nice fresh black leather, you really cannot tell. This car has literally been around the world. It was originally exported to Australia, then it came back over to the Isle of Man and then over to the UK. One quirk with the older cars is they didn't actually have door handles on the outside, so you do have to reach down. Leather coated steering wheel there. Have a look around this car one more time with the tonneau on. The tonneaus are really useful, so it means that you don't have to keep putting the roof up and down, and it's this easy to take off. So there's lift dot fasteners and obviously these press studs here as well. One last one in the middle, and then it reveals the inside. God, look at that, isn't it stunning? You can fold that down behind the seats if you need to. Just want to show you around the engine bay. Look at that, absolutely stunning. Really does look good. Now this uses the Kent Crossflow engine. That's what it sounds like. That pushes out around 90 brake horsepower. That's not what this car's about though, but it is very nippy. It does sound and look the absolute part. And there weren't a huge amount of these cars built, only just over 3,500. Oh, isn't this the perfect setting? So folks, this car is a classic, being a 77 and way over 40 years old. So the nice thing about this car is it is road fund licence exempt or car tax exempt and no MOTs, but obviously the car when it goes out will have a fresh MOT just to make sure that everything's A-OK. Now we always make sure that cars that leave Berrybrook go out with at least 12 months on the MOT and fresh service on there as well. So this lovely 4.4, when it was refurbished, had a new cylinder head, so it was an unleaded cylinder head on there. You also had a replacement carburettor on there as well. In fact, I have a lovely list of bits and pieces that were replaced on this car, other than the aluminium body that's already on the car, and a new chassis as well. Oh, hang on, is that an old Jag I spy? Well, let's go and see if we can chase him down. You don't see a huge amount of the XJRs, especially convertible. Oh, careful there, BMW driver. So once again folks, thanks for joining me. I'm going to return back down to Berrybrook. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and again, if you're interested in any of our cars, please have a look at our website. It's berrybrook.com obviously, and hopefully we'll see you down in our showroom where I can show you around any of the cars, including this absolute stunner. Don't forget we're down in Exminster, down here in Devon. Thank you once again folks, enjoy yourselves, safe driving, and we'll see you again.